Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here you can see that easily see that there are some word and their spelling and their meaning, and we're gonna make a sentence. Okay, so look, only this is the way you can improve your skill. This is the way you can grow your skill. Only this is you can become a very fluent English speaker. So every day just practice 15 and 20 minutes at least, so it will and if you consistent performer, then of course in a 6 months you're gonna see result, and I'm sure that in a 1 year, I'm telling you, in a 1 year you will become a very great good English speaker. Otherwise just give all your whole life. I am taking you granted. I'm writing in, I can write you. You will never able to speak English. You just have to practice at least 15 or 20 minutes daily. Daily means daily. This is the formula. This is the only way that you can grow and improve your skill. So okay, we are here. We are some words and there are some spelling and meaning. Or now we're gonna make a sentence. Abase, abase, abatier, abedict, aberrant, abatement, abhor, abject, adjure, ablution, abhorred, abolish. Look, yes, I choose a very difficult word, but I tell you a secret. If you gonna apply this, then you, of course you will not gonna face any problem. And what is the formula? Always just choose a easy word. English is just like a Hindi. So don't ever just look first. It's a biggest disease in I'm seeing in 2026. What is this? Show off. What is this to? Just show to the people that how I am intelligent. Look, people who are become a show off or never ever gonna achievement anything in their life. I am telling you, people who want to show off and people who want to abase to others, society, country, and any kind of human being, if you want to just show off, so never ever show. Look, always achieve whatever you want to achieve. Just it's your right. Achieve a luxury home, luxury bungalow, luxury Porsche car, luxury bike, luxury I mean whatever you want to do. I mean just do whatever you want to do. But if you are just abased to the others and abased to the other society just to prove yourself that you think you are high, then it's really a very foolish thing, and of course it will gonna harm you. And I'm telling you just because I have experienced it. Okay, so never ever just achieve what you know, what you think yourself. Okay, just do whatever you want to do. Abase. So I think I have give you few enough of information about abase. How you can define this word. Abase. It's about you are disgrace something. It's about you are harming someone dignity. Okay. Just you are you look, never ever do ever in a work in your life that gonna shame you. Okay, never ever work like that will always that you gonna define that you are feeling guilty, you feeling that you shouldn't do it. I mean this kind of feelings, if you are suffering, then of course you harm someone with your pleasure. Okay, so always choose your karma wisely and always choose your path very wisely. This world is an illusion, okay? The world you are seeing in your life, the world you are want to become in your life, okay, it's just an illusion. It's an illusion what you think yourself, it's your talent, your skill, all the information that you gathered in your life, okay? So always look, always being human. I mean in India, if someone I will say to this that being human, I think no doubt what I'm gonna take a name, okay? So always okay, so now you can define this word abase. Look, use very simple word. Abate here. Abate here. So you will define this. You will define this just like some a palace where you can put the horse, a palace where you can put the ship. I mean all the palace what you know with the cow. I mean what we used to call them abattoir, abattoir. So it's now you left it, now you leave it. So as I said, you just use a very simple word, aberrant. I don't think so he's gonna be all right. I think that he's facing some kind of mm, mental illusion drama, okay? Just like dyslexia. If you have seen Amir Khan movie Tare Zameen Par, and of course see Tare Zameen Par, then you can easily see that Amir Khan raised the issue about dyslexia. I mean child who are suffering from this kind of disease which we call dyslexia. And dyslexia is a very harmful disease. And look how we Indian know, just because we have watched Amir Khan movie. So and we just raise the finger at him that he's an Indian or not. I mean, what kind of people we are? I mean, we Amir Khan give us a cinema like who and where he are pointing some kind of diseased child and some kind of special child. I mean every child is special, so where we really took care him. Look, India is the largest country in the whole world. I mean around, I will not compare India to China, just because I'm telling you why. China, not China, I know China has the biggest population in the whole world, but look at their sources, look at their infrastructure, look at their mind, look at their thought, okay? This is how they become a very uh, most developed country in, I mean even USA and even even England also feel jealous about him. So don't compare India to China. I mean what you are comparing India and China? GDP, GST. I mean what you think that we are really just I mean look at their, I will not around question about, but China is far behind to India right now, okay? Right now, I mean upcoming future, what Narendra Modi and Mr. Great Amit Shah, what we wanna do, I don't know. But in a recently, what is the current situation, what I'm telling you, okay? Always speak very carefully before you something saying, okay? This is my motto, this is my main underline. Always speak very carefully whatever you are, just think and just think yourself what you are speaking, okay? Amendment. So MBTI, I mean you can define this word about jealous, okay? Jealous, this is I think right word. Abject, abhor, abject, adzer, abolition, abhorred, abolish, abject, I mean abject, I mean it's really disgusting, and it is so, it's really hard to define, okay? It's really hard to define. Abjure. So I think you are swear enough, and I think you just swear that what you gonna do. Abulation, abode, abode. So now we're gonna define that abode. So I think few are people who are live like this abode. Use abode. I mean, look, I really want to stay with my friends. Okay, why I'm doing this? Just because I really want to stay with my friends, and because I really want to look. I really just saw my inside energy, what I am actually, I am, what actually my face is. I just because of my friend, just because of my friend circle, I know myself, okay? And also they can also, they, I mean, if I learn a lot of things from them, so of course they learn lot of things from me. Of course, it's a natural thing. But this only, look, this is how a corporate build. This is how you can build your life. This is how you can grow your life. So always choose your friend very wisely. And of course, if you have some kind of friend circle where you can share anything in your life, and you can share anything without hesitate, and without, I mean, you just I mean, you are just free to do anything. If you have like a friend circle like this, then you, of course, you are the luckiest person in a whole world. This is, I'm telling you. So always, like, look, there is a, look, I will not go to deep, but first, I mean, if you have a really great and good friend circle, then of course you don't need anything. I'm telling you, you don't need anything that someone gonna praise you, someone gonna hate you. It's all about just, it's all are just bullshit thing. Okay, you will not care about world, what people are judging you, what people are about saying you. Okay, this is the very really short and very short thing. Okay, so always just be super cool, supernatural, and super talented. So thank you very much. And of course, if you are liking and if you are really learning to my channel, just like, share, and subscribe my channel, of course, and it will boost me and it will motivate me. So thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Cho, Majama. And first of all, telling me today is 26 January. I know everyone, they are celebrating to their republic in their school area. Look, we have done a lot of celebration. I mean, we have danced whole day. We practiced so much of I mean, we have acted so many acted we in on 26 January, 15 August. So tell me in the comment box what you are doing in today in your school, whatever you are in school, college, I mean coaching, exactly you are. Okay, so just tell me in the comment section and write your opinion. So okay, thank you very much.